10 different meanings of the word get. Get is a power word in the English language. There are so many different meanings. This might be confusing for you as an English learner. But it's important to learn how to use this word. In this lesson, you're going to learn 10 of the most common ways this word is used. And then I'm also going to share some template sentences with you. The key to all of this is to learn the sentences. That way you will internalize this word and how to use it. 10 ways to use the word get in English. Here are the ways in which we use get in English. The first usage of get is gain possession of or buy. Look behind me. Recently, I got some new things for my office. I got these neon light, wall decorations. This means that I bought these things. Here are more examples. What did you get for your birthday? I'm thinking about getting a new car soon. I haven't got my wife anything for Christmas yet. I'm starting to panic.
I'd like to get these.
I just need to get a car.
The second usage is to become ill or have an illness. Yes, you can say catch a cold, but it's more common to say get a cold. Here are more examples. I've got a cold. She keeps getting sick. I've got a bit of a headache today.
I got cancer. Got lung cancer.
You're gonna get a stomachache.
The next usage is to obtain or bring something to someone. This is something that is used a lot at home. For example, could you get me a tea? Could you get me the remote? If you have time, get me some bananas on your way home. Get some breakfast and then we'll go. An alternative here is to bring up or down. For example, could you bring me up a cup of tea?
Well, give me some food.
Give me a drink!
The fourth one is to hear or to understand. Listen to this. Time flies like an arrow, but fruit flies like a banana. You can respond to that by saying, I'm sorry. I didn't get that. I don't get what you mean. Could you explain that again? I didn't get that. Could you speak up?
I got it now.
Another usage of get is to become or change. This is really useful. Look at this example. It's getting dark. It's not dark now, but it's changing from light to dark. We use get to talk about a change. Your tea's getting cold. It's getting hot out there. Yawn, I'm getting tired.
Zoe is getting worse.
Is it getting better?
And another usage of get is movement. A good example of this is this one. Get down. Get your hands out of your pockets. I stubbed my toe getting into bed. Let's get outside. It's beautiful out there.
Going somewhere?
Get your hands off of me!
And we also use get on transport. Where do we get off if we're going to John? Get off at the next stop. This can be a little confusing. Because you get out of a car, but get off a train. This is why it's important to learn English through sentences.
Get on the bus! Get off my plane! Get off my plane!
And we use get instead of arrive. Now speaking of traveling, when you arrive at your destination, you can use get here too. When is David going to get here? When Mom gets here, turn off the TV, okay? Come on, let's get going. We'll get there really late otherwise.
I think we'll get there.
Call me when you get home!
Bye.
The next usage of get is to receive or be given something. Let me know what you get in that quiz. I got my hair cut yesterday. What do you think? I got my acceptance letter yesterday.
I just got my hair cut.
Did you get your money back?
Yeah, $1,500.
These are the most common usages of get. In the next video, I'm going to teach you some common collocations with the word get, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and turning on the notification bell.